Industries. Today I'd like to talk to you about thermal expansion. I'd like to discuss what thermal expansion is, what are the problems associated with thermal expansion, and how we can control thermal expansion. Thermal expansion is a naturally occurring consequence of heating water. And when we look at a normal plumbing system with our water heater, as we heat that water will begin to expand, and it can cause very high increases of pressure within the plumbing system. That can be detrimental to all the plumbing system components. Shower valves, faucets, solenoid valves in our washing machine, our dishwasher, etc. Having that elevated pressure puts a strain on all of those components, so it's certainly something that we need to control. The Uniform Plumbing Code states that if local street pressure is greater than 150, or if we have any form of backflow preventer in our main line leading to our house, we must control thermal expansion. Following the code says that we should use a thermal expansion tank or other approved means for controlling that thermal expansion. So starting with the other approved means, they're typically referring to relief valves. And what I have here is a Wilkins model P1500. This is a calibrated relief valve. It would work perfectly for controlling thermal expansion. When mounted anywhere in the cold water line inside the house, after our pressure reducing valve and backflow preventer, but before the water heater, this valve will open up and it will discharge that excess pressure caused by thermal expansion. So again, that's a good means of controlling thermal expansion. Another product that we have is called the BVEC. It's a ball valve with expansion control. The Uniform Plumbing Code says that all lines leading to water heaters shall have some form of a shutoff valve. So what Wilkins did is we created a shutoff valve for that application, but within that shutoff valve, we also install a very small relief valve. Therefore, when thermal expansion occurs and pressure rises within the plumbing system, this relief valve also would discharge to a safe drain, thus getting rid of that excess pressure caused by thermal expansion. Now, as I indicated earlier, these are both good means of controlling thermal expansion, but in my mind, the best means of controlling thermal expansion is with the use of a thermal expansion tank. So what I'll do is I'll turn this around and allow you to see the inside of it. The thermal expansion tank is installed in the cold water line anywhere between the pressure reducing valve and the water heater. And again, it's to control that pressure that's caused by the thermal expansion. Inside the tank, we have a rubber diaphragm. And on the top side of the diaphragm, there's a head of air. And on the bottom side of the diaphragm, it's exposed to plumbing water. Therefore, when thermal expansion starts to occur, we're giving that expanded water a place to go. And it begins compressing the air within the tank itself. Air is compressible, remember, but water is not. Now, as it ultimately becomes full with water due to that thermal expansion, eventually you and I will come along and flush a toilet or open a faucet, and now the air pushes the water back into the plumbing system for use. So the beauty of the thermal expansion tank is that no water is wasted, no heat is wasted. It's the most effective way of controlling thermal expansion. If you had any questions on these thermal expansion products, I would invite you to visit our website at www.zurn.com and look at our thermal expansion products. We have specification sheets that will tell you how to size the thermal expansion tank, how to size your relief valves, etc. But if you don't find that information adequate, don't hesitate to call us here at Wilkins. We're glad to help you with that. That's what we're here for. We'll help you size the thermal expansion tank, the relief valves. We'll help you cure the problem of thermal expansion. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, we'd like for you to subscribe to our YouTube channel. For additional product information or to speak to a customer care representative, please visit our website at www.zurn.com.